Mad Star Kids. Who do we have here today? Big Bird, Abby, Mommy Pig, and Romeo. We will be having a dodgeball fight today. Our two team captains are Romeo and Big Bird. They will be choosing their players that they will be playing with. Big Bird is choosing Abby. Romeo is choosing Mommy Pig. Okay, ready? Me too.
Take this.
Take this.
And this.
And this.
Oh yeah, this. Yeah. Ha ha ha. You're out.
I don't want to be out. Take this.
This. This. Oh, almost. Oh
I got you.
no, Mommy Pig's out. Take this.
Oh.
Yeah.
No.
I'm the winner.
No.
Romeo's gonna take over the world. Alrighty, now that we're done, we gotta clean up. Everybody help, please. Med Star Kids, subscribe.